It's not a surprise. We had another terrific set of plenary talks to get us started on our final day of the DevOps Enterprise Summit. We're heading into the break now, so just a few things to know before you go. The breakout talks are starting at 12:50 p.m. London time. We have more IT Revolution authors hosting an Ask Me Anything session during the midday break today at 1:50 p.m. London time. They're the authors of a new book, Investments Unlimited, a novel about DevOps, security, audit compliance, and thriving in the digital age. What's not to love about that title? And if you're interested in any of it, check out the AMA. We have the networking time again today with Birds of a Feather starting at 3:55 p.m. London time. The Birds of a Feather sessions will be in the Birds of a Feather room in Gather. And the special session for today is DevOps for Outsourcers. Ben Grinnell just shared his thoughts about that topic in his mini lecture. He will also be hosting the session. If you work for an outsourcer, or you manage or interact with outsourcers or companies providing technology services, and you want to discuss what Ben had to say, join the session during the networking time. It will be in the Birds of a Feather room in Gather in the bottom right corner of that room. Today is your last day to visit our sponsors in the virtual expo hall. Go talk to them and find out how they can help you on your DevOps journey. And this is also your last chance to play games for a chance to win stuff. And who doesn't like winning stuff? Then we're back here for the plenary talks at 5:15 p.m. London time. So with that, go connect, share, learn, and we'll see you back here a little later in the day to wrap up the summit.